Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. So now to start, just open up your search bar and type in File Explorer. So open that one and then in here select this PC or sometimes you have renamed it. So just go ahead and find that folder. Once open, open up your local DC and then find here program files and then go to Google folder and then double click to open Chrome folder and then double click to open up application folder. So in here we need to rename the Chrome folder. So you can go to share more options and find the rename, or you can just click the rename icon at the top. And then you can just add anything in here, like for example Chrome 2, and then press enter. And then right click again and then click the show more options and then select send to, and on the right side select send to desktop. And then let's close this window. So in your desktop, right click on Chrome shortcut that you've made, and then we have to rename it again. So just click the rename icon and then we just have to type in Chrome. In addition to that, we need to right click on spaced um, area at the bottom to open up the task manager. And on the left side, just click on details icon, and then you have to find here the chrome.exe and select it and click the end process tree. So as you can see, I don't have that in my computer because I already deleted it and I didn't film the video. But if you have seen the chrome.exe in your computer, just go ahead and right click that one and then press the end process tree. And then once you're done with that, you can now close your or this window. Okay, for the next step, just click Windows plus R key to open up Run. And then type in percent local app data percent and then click OK. And then in here, open up the Google folder. Just double click to open up that folder. And then select Chrome folder again. Double click on that. And then open up user data. And then select default folder. So in here, right click and then delete this folder. And then once this one is successfully deleted, you can now close this window. Okay, for the next step, you have to right click on your Chrome icon and then go to properties and then open up compatibility tab and check this right over here and then click apply and OK. And for the last step, we need to right click again on the space at the bottom and select Task Manager. And then at the top menu, select Run New Task. And then a new window will open up and then just click the Browse button. And then find your this PC again and then go to C drive. And then scroll all the way down until you find the Windows folder. Just double click that one. And then find and select System 32 folder. So next, in here, you have to find the CMD files, or if you can find it, you can just search for it. Just type in CMD. And then double click CMD files to open up a new window. So in here, you need to check this box before you click OK. So in here, we need to execute some commands carefully. So first, we need to type in, I will be showing you the first command, and then after writing that, you just have to hit enter. And then for the second command, just type in ipconfig space slash flash DNS, and then don't forget to hit enter. And for our third command, just type in sfc space slash scan now, and then press enter. So this will take more time for about 20 to 30 minutes. So after this, you just have to restart your computer to save the changes you've made. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.